Today I am doing a wandering straight pour. I'm doing it over this painting that I loved, but somehow the base coat ate up the colors and it messed it up, so I'm seeing if I can salvage this canvas at all. My colors are sitting here. The black is a mix of Color Shift Black Flash and Ivory Black by Liquitex. Next I have this purple, I think it's Deep Violet by Liquitex. And then my next color is 24K Gold by Deco Art, which I'm showing all the colors. All my colors will be in the description as well. And what I mix them with, my medium and such. This next color is a pigment. It's, there, I found it. Primary Elements Color Art. An autumn leaf. It's a really pretty color. I love using it. And this is Deep Yellow, I believe, by Master's Touch. And this is Amsterdam Blue Green. And this is Golden's Teal. I think it takes me a while to find that color too, but it's Golden's Teal. And the last color is a mix of Vallejo Pearl Medium and Deco Art Satin Enamel in Beige, I believe. So I'm not sure how this is going to work out on this canvas. You can see there how it was a really gorgeous painting, but the base coat just ate away at all the color. I'm not really sure why. It was just basically saved drippings that I used. I must have added something into the bottle that had some mix in it that I don't normally put in, or maybe it was old, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just trying to see if I can salvage this canvas by painting over it. It is indented a little, so I'm thinking the dents are gonna be noticeable still, but we'll see. So I started with the green blue and then add the teal, then the deep violet, and the black flash mix, and then I'm adding the autumn leaf, and gold, and then the pearl mix. Next is the yellow, the deep yellow. I'm just trying to think of what color to use next because I didn't want to get a mix If I use the blue, then I'm going to get green. If I used purple, it kind of gives you brown. So I'm breaking it up with a little bit of gold in between to put the blue-green next. I believe that's what I use. Still contemplating. I would rather get green than have brown by mixing yellow and purple. And then the teal, and then I just kind of repeat the colors a little differently, but similar, because I still wanted to layer them to where they didn't mix into different colors too much. Alright, so I'm going to put some music on and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Sorry it's taken me a while. I've been really busy this week with my cat having to go to the vet and stuff, so I wasn't able to get a painting done to put it out sooner. But I will try to keep up at least with once a week from now on. Thank you all for subscribing and watching my videos and commenting. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoy this video, please do subscribe if you haven't already. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And always feel free to ask me any questions about my paints or, you know, how I do something. I will always answer. All right, guys, have a great day. Talk to you later.